Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we've got a delicious treat in store for you. We're making the ultimate crispy potato wedges. Whether you're serving these as a side dish or enjoying them on their own, get ready for a flavor explosion. But before we dive into the recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 4 large potatoes, russet or Yukon Gold work well, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, optional, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, optional, for an extra kick. Step 1. Preparing the potatoes. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Wash and scrub the potatoes, leaving the skin on for that rustic look. Now, cut each potato into wedges, making sure they're evenly sized for consistent cooking. Step 2. Seasoning. In a large bowl, toss the potato wedges with olive oil, ensuring they're all well coated. Now, let's add our seasonings: paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and, if you're feeling adventurous, a sprinkle of dried thyme for that extra burst of flavor. Mix everything together until the potatoes are evenly seasoned. Step 3. Spreading on baking sheet. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it. Spread the seasoned potato wedges in a single layer, making sure they have some space between them. This will help them crisp up beautifully in the oven. Step 4. Baking. Pop the baking sheet into the preheated oven and let the magic happen. Bake for about 30-35 minutes, flipping the wedges halfway through to ensure even browning. Step 5. Optional Parmesan topping. If you want to take these wedges to the next level, sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top during the last 5-7 minutes of baking. This will create a cheesy crust that's absolutely irresistible. Step 6. Serving. Once the potato wedges are golden and crispy, take them out of the oven. Let them cool for a minute or two, and then it's time to serve. Arrange them on a platter and watch them disappear. And there you have it, the ultimate crispy potato wedges that are sure to be a hit at your table. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more delicious recipes, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!